In November 2021, I created this video to show you how you can make money using Canva. And one of the ways that I showed was for you to register as a Canva creator and become a creator for Canva. Next time when I went in to go log in and create a profile for myself and become a Canva creator, it was then closed. So I went in today and I found out that it was open and creators can log in and register to become a creator. So I'm sharing this information with you and I'm going to show you how to register real quick. If you want to become a Canva creator, let's do this. Ready? You just click where it says become a creator. Once you're logged in, you're going to add the website that you want Canva to have a look at in order for them to decide if they're going to appoint you as a creator or not. So they say share a portfolio, website, storefront, or social media site that's showcasing your work. So you're going to type that in there and then you're going to click apply. So I'm going to use my YouTube channel and then you click apply. And once you've clicked apply, you're going to get an email from Canva, as simple as that. And you wait for them to either let you know that you've been approved or not. You can now go watch that video that gives you tips on how to make money using Canva.